Okay, so our Olympiad's next chapter is unitary methods. What is mean by unit? Unit means single thing. Okay, single, only one is known as unit. So, if we know the price of one item or one thing, we can calculate the price of so many things. That is, if I have a pen and the cost of pen is 10 rupees. So if I ask you that if I have a pen whose cost is 10 rupees, if I buy 10 such a pens, what is the cost of total 10 pens? So what you will do? 10 multiplied by price of 1 pen. That is 10 into 10 is equal to 100 rupees. So for to buy 10 pens, you have to pay 100 rupees. Okay. So this is all the things that we calculate from one single item ka price to so many items price is known as unitary method. That is only given in this chapter. So there are some examples of unitary methods which we are going to take now. So the all examples, if you see, first example is price of one bicycle is given. What is the price of one bicycle? It is 1200 rupees, and they had asked us the price of five such a bicycle. The same thing what I told you before, that if we know the price of one item and we have to calculate the price of so many items, we can do multiplication. Okay, so here we have to do multiplication. So what you are going to do here, you know the price of one bicycle, so you have to write in word problem that price of one bicycle is so and so. So price of one bicycle is 1200 rupees, and we have to calculate five such a bicycles price. So we'll do 1200 multiplied by 5, that is 12 5 are 60, and there is two zeros as it is. So the price of five such a bicycle is 6000 rupees. Okay, now moving to our next example. Uh, they had given us the price of 8 bicycle, that is 10,200, and what is the price of one such a bicycle is asked. So what you will do here, here you have to calculate the price of one bicycle from the price of 8 bicycle. So you will do here sub division. So 10,200 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 2 is remainder, then this 2 will come down, 8 twos are 16, 4 is remainder, 40 it becomes, and 8 fives are 40. So price of one bicycle is 1250. It is a 16, 8 3 are 24. Sorry, this is 6. So 8 7 are 56, 4 is remainder, and 8 5 are 40. So price of one bicycle is 1275. Okay, so this is the theme of this chapter, that if we know the value of one, then we can find the value of many. So all examples are already given, but we are moving ahead towards the uh, solved. We have to solve the problems. Okay, so first problem is Suhan's father has brought 7 boxes for the soda party, and there were 28 cans in each box. Okay, so how many box his father has brought? His father has brought 7 boxes for the party, and each such a box contains 28 cans. So they had asked how many cans of soda did her father buy altogether. So first of all, in one box there are how many cans? 28 cans, and we have to find the number of cans in 7 such a boxes. So what you were going to do here, 28 multiplied by 7, 8 7s are 56, 5 will go carry forward, 7 2s are 14, and plus 5 is 19. So the answer is 196. The next one is, if a cow gives 13 liters of milk per day, then in a week, how many liters of milk she will give us? So there are how many days in the week? So 1 week has 7 days. In 1 day, if the cow gives 13 liters of milk, so in 7 days, how many liters of milk she will give? So you have to multiply here again. 13 multiplied by 7, and 13 sevens are 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91. So the answer is 91 liters of milk she will give in a week. The same way they had solved, you can see, if the cost of 8 baskets of fruit is 2568, then the cost of one basket of fruit is how much? So again here you have to do division, because you know the cost of 8 baskets, that is 2568, and we have to calculate the cost of one basket. So 2568 divided by 8, 8 threes are 24, 1 is remainder, 6 will come down, then 8 twos are 16, and again 8 will come down, 8 ones are 8. So 321 is your answer. Okay, understood? Then we'll move to the next example. Our next example is, a man works for 6 days and he earns 5118 rupees. So how many days he works? 6 days. And how many he earns? 5118. So how much does he earn in a day? Means in 1 day how many he earns, we have to calculate. So what you will do here, division or subtract, multiplication. So we have to divide here, because we know the price of many. When we know the price of many and we have to calculate the price of one thing, then we have to do the division. And if we know the price of unit, that is single item, and we have to calculate the price of more items, then we'll do multiplication. And if we know the price of more items and we have to calculate the price of unit things, then we have to do the division. That is the simple logic of this chapter. So you know the earning of 6 days and you have to calculate the daily earning. So what you are going to do here is division. 5118 divided by 6. So in a 6 table, 51 comes? No. Then the nearer number or lesser number to 51 is 6 6 are 36, 6 1 are 42, 6 8 are 48. So 48 is subtracted from 51, 3 is remainder, 1 will come down. Then 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So 6 5s are 30 will take, 1 will remain and 8 will come down, 6 3s are 18. So the answer is 853 rupees. So the man earns 853 rupees in one single day, and in 6 days he earned total 5118 rupees. Now the next example is, Mohit types 900 words in half an hour, and how many words would he type in 6 minutes? So you know how many uh, minutes are there in half hour. So half hour contains 30 minutes, because 1 hour contains 60 minutes. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So in half hour there will be 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, how many words he types? He types 900 words. And we have to calculate how many words he type in 6 minutes. So there are two methods to solve this problem. First, you have to calculate in 1 minute how many words he will going to type. And then whatever answer you got, you multiplied it with the 6. Okay, and the another method is, see, in 30 minutes, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. In 30 minutes, he is typing 600 words. So in 6 minutes, how many words? So what you are going to do here, assume this as a X or A. A is will be your answer. A words he type in 6 minutes. So multiply, cross multiplication will do. So A is equal to 600 multiplied by 6 divided by 30. Wait, 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So 120 words he will type. 900 words, sorry, 900 words in 30 minutes. Sorry. So in 30 minutes, 900 words. So in 6 minutes, how many words? So 900 multiplied by 6 divided by 30. 0 0 will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6 and 9 2s are 18 and 0 as it is. So 180 words he will type in a 6-minute period. The another method to solve this problem is, in 30 minutes he is typing how many words? 900 words. So divide 900 by 30. 33s are 90 and this 0 0 0. So 30 words he is typing in 1 minute. In 1 minute we'll get 30 words. So in 6 minutes is equal to 6 multiplied by 30. 6 zeros are 0. 6 threes are 18. So again the answer is 180 words. Okay. The next example is, if 945 balls put in the 7 boxes, then how many balls can be put in one such a box? Again you can solve this example by two methods. See, in 7 boxes, how many balls are there? So in 7 boxes, 945 balls are there, and in 9 boxes we have to calculate. Again, assume this as a. So the equation will become 945 multiplied by 9 divided by 7. And this is the answer of A. So 7 1s are 7. 2 will be the remainder, or you can do it here, 945 divided by 7. So it becomes 7 1s are 7, 2 will be the remainder, 4 will come down, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 3 will be the remainder, and 7 5s are 35. So in one such a boxes there are 135 balls. So in 9 boxes we get how many balls? So 135 multiplied by 9, 9 5s are 45, 4 will be carry forwarded, and 9 3s are 27 plus 4 31, 9 1s are 9 plus 3 1 2 1 5 is your answer. Up to now you got the theme of the chapter, that from many things we have to calculate the unit 1, and from unit 1 we have to find the another many, or just a single thing ka price, or whatever it may be, the box containing the things, or the cost of any uh, item you buy. The next example is, if the cost of half dozen guava is 15 rupees, and then the cost of 2.5 dozen guava they had asked us. So see, in 2.5 dozen, how many half dozen are there? So there are 5 half dozens in 2.5 dozens. Why? Because in 1 dozen there are 2 half dozens. So in 2.5 dozens there are 5 half dozens. So cost of one half dozen we know. So we have to calculate the cost of five such a half dozen. So 15 fives are 75. So your answer is 70. Okay. The next one is a local farmer sells the onion in 5 kg bag at rupees 87.5 per bag. 9 kg bag at 148.5 per bag. Is there any mandatory advantage gain if you buy the 9 kg bag? Uh, Here what you have to do, you have to calculate the price of 1 kg. So if we sell the 5 kg bag and if we sell the 9 kg bag, is there any uh, change of cost in 1 kg per onion? If there is a difference between both 1 kg price, then the advantage is yes. If there is no difference, then the answer will be no, and can't say and maybe the judgmental answer. So first we'll do the 5 kg bag if we sold in 87.5 rupees. So we have to calculate the cost of 1 kg. So 87.5 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 will be the remainder. 7 will come down. 5 6 are 30. Now the point is there. Decimal point you have to add. 7 will be the remainder. 5 will come down. 5 how many is 75? 5 sevens are 35, sorry. 5 sevens are 35 and 5 fives are 25. So for 5 kg bag, the cost of 1 kg is 16.5. And now we have to calculate the cost for 9 kg bag. So 148.5 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Huh? 1 kg is 17.5 for 5 kg bag. Now we have to calculate for the 9 kg bag. So 9 ones are 9. 5 will be the remainder. 58 will 8 will come down. It becomes 58. 9 in the 9's table 58 will come or not? No, but 54 will come. 9 6 are 54. So 54, 4 will be the remainder. Point will come there, and 5 9 5 are 45. So the cost is 16.5. So the previous cost is 17.5. Now we'll get the 16.5. So there is advantage if you buy the 9 kg bag. Yes, for buyer's point of view, there is an advantage because we save our 1 rupees. Okay, for per kg. So if we buy 9 kg of onion, our 9 rupees will be saved. So yes, there is a advantage to buy 9 kg bag instead of 5 kg bag. So our answer is yes here. Okay. Now I can buy 6 burgers for 90 rupees. How much money would I need if I wanted to buy 90 such a burgers? Again, there are two methods. Find the cost of one burger, then you find the cost of 90 burgers, or instead you do the cross multiplication. So 6 burger you are getting in 90 rupees. So 90 burgers in A rupees. So A is equal to 90 multiplied by 90 divided by 60. 0 0 will get cancelled. Now divide 90 by 6. So 6 15s are 90. And 15 nines are, it is 135. And it becomes 1350. So So the cost of 90 burger is 1350. Now the next example is uh, 10 pears cost 72 rupees. How many pears can you buy if you have 36 rupees? So first you have to find the cost of one such a pear. If 10 pears are of 72 rupees, so price of one pear is 7.2 rupees. Now you have 36 rupees and you have to buy how many pears? So what you will do, or you can do the cross multiplication here. See, in 10 pears in 72 rupees, so how many pears in 36 rupees? 36 multiplied by 10 divided by 72. 36 1 are 36, 36 2 are 72, and 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. So you will get the 5 pears in 36 rupees. Okay. Now the next is our exercise. So 2-3 examples from the exercise we will take and then we'll take the leave. Okay. So first example is, now you have to solve it. 10 eraser cost 8 rupees. The cost of 8 such a eraser is how many? So cost of one eraser is equal to 8 divided by 10. Now the cost of one eraser is 8 divided by 10 and we have to find the 8 such a eraser. So 8 divided by 10 multiplied by 8. So it becomes 8, 8, 8 are 64 divided by 10 means 6.4 rupees. Or you can do 8 divided by 10. So 8 cannot be divided by 10 directly, so you have to add the decimal and it becomes 80. Now 10 8s are 80. So 0.8 is the cost of one eraser. So 8 eraser ka cost is equal to 0.8 multiplied by 8. 8 8s are 64 and you have to add the decimal point. So from unit place you have to left one digit, that is unit digit, and you have to add the decimal. So here also we left the unit digit and we add the decimal. So it becomes 6.4 rupees. Okay, understood. Then the next example is again half dozen eggs cost is given and they had asked us the cost of 1.5 dozen eggs. So you know in 1.5 dozen how many half dozens are there? So there are 3 half dozen in 1.5 dozens. So one half dozen egg cost, you know, it is 24 rupees. So 3 such a half dozen cost is 24 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 72 rupees will be charged to cost 1.5 dozens of egg. Now the next one is Ishita work for 3 months and save 810 rupees. How much does she save if she works for 7 months? Again there are two methods. 1 month saving you calculate, then you multiply that saving with the 7, or you can directly do the cross multiplication. We will solve this problem by both methods. So first of all, 1 month saving is equal to 810 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 2 will be the remainder, 3 7s are 21 and 270. So her 1 month saving is 270 rupees. So 7 months saving is equal to 270 multiplied by 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 sevens are 49, 4 will be the carry forward, and then 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18. So her saving for 7 months is 1890. So our answer is B. Now the another method to calculate the same problem is 3 months ka saving is 810 rupees. So 7 month ka saving is equal to how many rupees? So what you will do? A is suppose the saving of 7 months. So 810 multiplied by 7 divided by 3. Again 3, you are here going to calculate the 1 month and then multiply it with the 7. So your answer will be the 1890, that is B, which we had calculated already. Now the next one is, if a labor gets rupees 2115 for 9 days. Okay, and then how many days he would work to get the 7050 rupees. Again cross multiplication can help. Or see, 9 days he earns 2115 rupees. So to earn 7050 rupees, how many days he has to work? So again do the cross multiplication. A is equal to 7050 multiplied by 9 divided by 2115. Now do the things. 2115, 7050 and 9. So what you will do here, or we'll calculate the 1 day labor charges and then we can divide it with the 7050 or something like that. So what you will going to do here, 7050 multiplied by 9 divided by 2115. 9 2s are 18, 3 will be the remainder, 1 will come down, 9 3s are 27, 4 will be the remainder and 5 will come down, so it becomes 45. So answer is 235 if we divide 2115 by the 9. So in 1 day he will earn 35 rupees labor charges. I will do it here for your better understanding. 2115 is divided by 9 to get the how many rupees a labor get in a 1 day. 1 day, how many rupees he will get? So 9 2s are 18, 3 will be the remainder, 1 will come down, 31 it becomes, 9 3s are 27, 4 will be the remainder, 5 will come down, 9 5s are 45. So 235 rupees he get in one single day. So to earn 7050 rupees, how many days he has to work? So what you will do next is 7050 divided by 235. So 235, we have to divide 7050 with 235. So in 235 table, if 7050 comes, yes, 235 3s are 7050 and the 0 will come down after that. So he has to work 30 days to earn 7050 rupees. Okay, the next one is, if a man and a woman can earn 530 rupees in a day, then how much will 7 men and 7 women earn in a day? Okay, so one man and one woman can earn rupees 530 in a day. Here the twist is, one man earns 530 rupees and one woman earns 530 rupees. So together they earn 1060 rupees or not? No, together they earn 530 rupees. Okay, so in a 7, if 7 man and 7 women come together, how many rupees they earn? So just simply 530 multiplied by 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 threes are 21, 7 fives are 35 and 2 37. So 3710 rupees they had earned in 7 days. They just mislead us or confused us by giving one man and one woman, but it is not like that ki one man earns 530, one woman earns 530. Together they earn 530 rupees in a day. So if 7 man and 7 women come together, they earn 3710 rupees. So up to this, I think you had understood the concept. Remaining 5 examples you solved at home, and then we'll discuss on it on the next lecture. Thank you.